Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. You are welcome, my followers. Today, inshallah, we will talk about the letter ta. Ta in Arabic. We said before that all the Arabian letters have four shapes. In the first of the word, in the middle of the word, in the last of the word connectly or separately. That's four. But ta has 6 shapes. Let's see, just ta. Ta, we said before, ta 2 points. To be easier to save to memory, ta 2 points. We said ta in the first of the word, ta in the middle of the word, ta in the last of the word, connectly, or ta in the last of the word separately. We have also ta marbuta in the last of the word connectly and ta marbuta in the last of the word separately. Yeah, ta in the last of the word connectly, ta marbuta in the last of the word connectly, ta marbuta in the last of the word separately. Let's take some examples. When we say saada, saada, it means happiness. Another example, najat, 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 it means safety. Another example, al-jannah, al-jannah. Here we haven't shadda, so we will read the lam. Al-Jannah, it means paradise. Hayat, another example. Not hayat, no. Another example, let's say madrasa. Madrasa, it means school. Madrasa, school. Madrasa, school. This is ta marbuta in the last of the word. This is ta marbuta in the last of the word separately. Ta marbuta in the last of the word separately. Ta marbuta in the last of the word connectly. Ta marbuta in the last of the word connectly. Sometimes we pronounce this ta like a ha. When it comes in the last of the sentence, we pronounce it as ha. Let's say إنها madrasa. You know, I pronounce it like ha because it is come in the last of the sentence. إنها madrasa, it means it is school. إنها madrasa, you know, I don't read it. But when I say, I read it like ha. I don't read it like ta. إنها madrasa. But when I say madrasa, but not in the last of the sentence, let's say إنها madrasatu madrasatu أولادي. إنها مدرسة أولادي. We pronounce this تاء مربوط تاء مدرسة. So تاء, it comes in the last of the sentence. We read it somehow like ha, but when it comes in the middle of the sentence, we read it ta. Inshallah, we will practice that. We will talk about more examples in the next videos, but every word we will talk about that we pronounce it like ta or ha, inshallah. أولادي, إنها, it is. مدرسة, school. أولادي, it means my children. أولاد, children. My, di, أولادي. This is ya for what I speak about something is related to me. I have it. أولادي, my children. That's all for today. هذا كان كل شيء لهذا اليوم. You are welcome, my followers. أرحب بكم جميعا. It is honor to me to invite you to subscribe my channel. Ring the bell, please. Good comment, like you and dua. Like and share. Assalamu alaikum.